Hi, my name is Grace Murphy, and I'm an 8th grader at Unami Middle School. I found out about Google Science Fair from my science teacher, and I was interested in plants and how light has a certain effect on things, so I combined them to create my project. My project was plant growth in different colors of light. First, I got 9 pots and filled them with soil and put one seed in each. They were not put in light to begin with, so they would not dry out. When they started to sprout, I put 3 of each plant in their designated light area to grow. Plants in blue light started to grow first, and next came red. UV eventually started to grow, but it was not as fast as blue or red. Even though the colored plants started to grow around the same time, blue grew faster. It took a while for UV to start growing, but about halfway through the time period, UV plants started to grow. On day 15, about halfway through, blue's average height was 16 centimeters. The average for red was 9.5 centimeters, and UV had an average of 6.75 centimeters. The average for blue is still the largest. Although UV has caught up, red is still bigger than UV, making it the smallest. At the end of my experiment, blue plants still had the largest height of all the 3 types of plants. The average for them was 40.25 centimeters. Red was also in the same place, the average being 30.25 centimeters. Even though they had the largest height, the plants under colored light were very pale and flimsy. Since blue and red were in the same place, so was UV. It had the smallest average of 20.75 centimeters. The health state of these plants were not like the colored. UV plants were very green in color and could stand up on their own. They even had some leaves growing on them. Overall, my hypothesis, if you place a plant in colored light the growth will be larger, was proven right. This was figured out because the average heights of the plants under colored light were larger than the plants under UV light. This experiment shows the different environments that plants can be grown in.